Hi everyone, my name's Izzy and welcome back to Clarity Face Painting. Today we are going to be doing a zombie face paint. Let's get straight into it. This zombie that we're doing is much more cartoony and illustrative, so we're starting with a very bright green in base. So the outline for the head is done. I've come higher up on this side and lower down here because I want to have the brain of the zombie sticking out here. And now we are going to fill in everywhere except around our eyes because that is all going to be black. Okay, now that I have filled in the face, I'm gonna add a pink outline for the brain sticking out of the head here. So I did the brain with a thicker brush, so I just sort of filled it in as I went along. So now I'm gonna add the black in the eyes and start doing the outlines and adding details to the face. Okay, I'm happy with the black outline. Now I'm going to change my water and add some white highlights and then we should be finished. So that is finished, a nice and simple face paint that you can do at kids' parties. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any requests for face paint, please comment them down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!